Mastering GRE Analytical Writing. Plan and organize your essay like a pro. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a pivotal aspect of the GRE's analytical writing section, planning and organizing your essay. If you've ever wondered how to effectively structure your ideas and present a cogent argument, then this video is tailor-made for you. When faced with the task of writing an essay, especially under timed conditions, it can be tempting to immediately start writing. However, investing a few initial minutes in planning can make a huge difference. Here's why. 1. Clarity. Planning helps you avoid diverging from the topic or going off on tangents. A clear roadmap ensures your essay stays on track. 2. Coherence. By organizing your thoughts beforehand, your essay will flow logically from one idea to the next. 3. Time management. With a plan, you're less likely to get stuck midway, wondering what to write next. So, how exactly should you go about planning? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Read the prompt carefully. Before anything else, understand what's being asked of you. Identify the core issues and nuances. 2. Brainstorm ideas. Take a moment to jot down all the ideas that come to mind. Don't filter them yet. Just get them on paper or screen. 3. Organize your ideas. Now, categorize your brainstormed ideas. Which are your main arguments? Which are supporting details? Any counter-arguments? 4. Order your arguments. Prioritize your arguments. Start with the strongest or most compelling one. This will ensure that your essay makes an immediate impact. With your plan in hand, now it's time to consider the structure. 1. Introduction. Begin with a hook or an interesting statement to grab the reader's attention. Briefly introduce the topic and your stance on it. 2. Body paragraphs. Each paragraph should introduce a single point or argument. Start with a topic sentence, provide evidence or examples, and then conclude the paragraph by tying the point back to your main argument. 3. Counter-arguments. If needed, it's often beneficial to acknowledge the other side of the argument. Doing so demonstrates a comprehensive understanding of the topic. 4. Conclusion. Sum up your main arguments and restate your position, perhaps offering a forward-looking statement or a call to action. And there you have it, the keys to effectively planning and organizing your GRE analytical writing essay. Remember, a well-structured essay not only impresses the examiners but also ensures your thoughts are communicated effectively. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to aid you in your GRE preparation. Best of luck, and keep writing brilliantly.